What are we doing, Fox? What are we doing?
Snack box.
Snack box! Who loves the snack box?
Me!
Right, is everyone going to be good? Why is this wet? Right, okay. This is sent to us for free to review. We love what's in the box. But the customer service, I'm not going to lie, is crap. It used to be amazing. And then I think they've changed hands. And yeah, so we're just reviewing it because they like to do it. But we'll see. We've got Slovakia. Is everyone in the camera, Foxy? Have a look. Yeah? So they do a mini box, a original box and a premium box. This is the premium box. I'll put all the prices, and if I've got a discount code, I don't even know if it still works anymore. So I'm not entirely sure they even know that they're sending me PR anymore, because I keep getting emails offering me PR, and I'm like, I already get it. So, right, Mummy is going to dish stuff out. Right, first thing we've got, we're going to let Daddy try and pronounce it. Please don't be offended by any of our pronunciations. Harriet, watch your face. There you go. So this is from the... Oh, no one's going to like these. They're bacon flavour. Fox, calm down. This arrived yesterday and he was like, I can't open snack box now. And I was like, you have to wait. Foxy, come on. These are the original box and they're bacon flavoured crisps.
Alright, I'll put it on my lap now.
Oh, they smell quite good. Oh, they're good. They're really nice. They're not like hugely bacon flavour, but they are lovely.
It tastes like bacon.
They're
What they taste like?
bacon. They're really light, aren't they?
No. Yeah.
Rob.
Yeah, they're good. Okay, so that's a thumbs up. These look like poppadoms. These are, I think these are premium box. Get ready for this wonderful treat on your next get together. These light crisp crackers are a must at any time. So these are premium box. Doesn't say what flavour, it just says light and crunchy, but they look just like a mini poppadom. You try one?
Oh yeah, they do look like a poppadom. That's not one I got. It looks like a...
They're the texture of lentil chips.
They're
They're really nice, I like them.
It's okay.
They're really salty, aren't they?
A bit stale.
No, they're like lentil chips.
Crisp enough.
I don't think they're stale. I really like them, they're really salty though, aren't they?
And looks a bit like a bur.
Yum. Right, these ones, I'm not sure that... Oh, these say beer crunch. I think these might be ones for Daddy.
Like peanuts or something?
Yeah, these are... You guys can try them if they're not spicy. We can try them if they are spicy. No, they're just the perfect snack to enjoy with a refreshing drink. These barbecue flavoured nuts are a must try, and these are the mini. Everyone is poorly if you couldn't tell.
Harry, you like them.
Oh yeah, they're like... Oh, they're not peanuts, they're corn nuts. It's crunchy corn. They're good. Yeah, they're nice. Thumbs up. Chippy. One of the cats is trying to steal everything. We've got a Marta. Oh, this is a chocolate mint wafer bar. This is the premium box.
I want to have a try. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that smells amazing. Right, you bite first because you're the only one that's not ill. Oh my god, that's really good. It's minty.
I love mint.
That tastes like a Viscount.
Yeah.
That is delicious. That's one of the nicest things we've ever had in a box. That's really good. There's lots to try. You don't have to eat all of them. Right, we've got another wafer. This one is traditional wafer sandwich with rich coffee filling. Oh, let Daddy start that one. And then Ari can have a bite as well because she's not poorly. And then the rest of us will eat because of the poor Ari.
These wafery type things.
Yeah, I always say that they don't do wafers enough in the UK. Like within Europe and the rest of the world, they do their wafers much better than we do.
little box on my
Because it's focusing on you. That's not on the actual video. Ari, you like coffee?
Stop. Sit down.
You two aren't going to be allowed in the video if you carry on. Do you want to be in the video or no? No, you want to sit over there and just eat snacks?
I want to do that.
I just realised you bit it like a psychopath. There's two. You have a bite. You won't like it as coffee.
Coffee.
That's nice, but I don't really like coffee sweets and stuff, so that's more of a Ben thing.
I like it.
I don't like that.
That coffee.
It's nice, but I just don't personally like coffee sweets. So we've got another crisp thing here.
Yeah.
This looks like onion flavour, which I think someone will like because someone loves onion crisps. Sour cream and onion. Slovakia is one of the nation's perfect, most loved brands. Enjoy the crunch.
The Slovakia flavour. Slovakia is the company in Slovakia.
Yeah. I don't like sour cream. I love onion, so. Nope.
Don't like the smell.
Taste, Mummy.
Nope.
Not try.
I really don't like sour cream. That's all I can taste with that. You probably like them. You like cheese and onion crisps.
I got fall over me.
No. You like them? Yeah.
You don't like these?
No, Mummy didn't. Oh, look at these little mini ones. We've got a zebra on. Mini biscotti. I think this might be little biscottis. Hold that, Ari. These are premium box. These soft round sponge cakes are made from flour, sugar and eggs. And that's all that's in them.
You don't like that?
They're not soft, they're crunchy, but they're nice. Nothing's on them.
What are these?
Little cakes. Biscuit cakes. Just a little sweet.
Yeah. Good.
Okay. We're not going to open these ones just because they're hard sweets and Foxy can't have them. If we open them, he'll want one and he can't have them because they're a choking hazard. But they're just like...
What have you got?
There we go. Oh, he's just opened his tub of treeslets. These are called Doxy Roxy. Ari doesn't like them, mate.
I don't like the smell of them.
What are they called?
Doxy Roxy.
Doxy Roxy Box.
And they are, where is it?
Get a little pineapple on it.
Oh, these are premium box. They are hard candy lovers, another classic treat. And they're just different flavoured rock candy. So it's like rocks that you get at the seaside, but in little circles. But it's a choking hazard for Fox, so we won't open it now. We got a drink. A light and bubbly non-alcoholic beverage made from white grapes. What, Bubby? I'll have one.
We share.
And you do share. It's nice to share, isn't it? Good boy.
Quite refreshing.
I think middle maker.
You like it? You like fizzy, don't you?
Mika won't like it. I'll try it a tiny drip.
It's alright.
I'll try it a drip.
A drip. Do you want to try it?
No.
No, that's okay. Put it over there so we don't knock that over.
It's boring me.
It's boring for you, is it?
When I get bigger,
When you'll get...
then I get drink it.
Oh, when you get bigger, you'll drink it.
Yeah.
Oh, good job.
Go moldy.
This is a Seditki Pernik Jahoda, a traditional Slovak delight, chocolate-covered gingerbread with fruity strawberry jam. Sounds quite nice. This is the the original box. Oh, she's a beast. It's like bigger than Aria's head. Look. Give a bite.
You'll get it in a minute.
You get it.
Yeah, in a minute. It's a chocolate pillow.
Oh,
You like it? Foxy, do you want a bite?
It's going to be fluffier.
Yeah, gingerbread is always dry.
Not really dry. For
Well,
gingerbread
my
fire.
tiny thumbs up.
Not for me.
Tiny thumbs.
Yeah, it's upstairs we're getting there.
No.
Maybe it's juice.
Tiny thumbs up.
You
Without
want
the
this
jam,
juice?
I think will be good.
Right,
Orange. Chocolate orange.
This is called Diva chocolate orange bar.
Right there.
Orange peel encased in a decadent dark chocolate. Right, Ari.
Chocolate.
This is mini box. It's jelly.
Jelly?
It's like a Jaffa cake inside, isn't it?
Yeah.
It tastes like a Jaffa cake.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, it really does smell like a Jaffa cake.
Why don't you like jelly?
Really good. That's yummy.
Never mind, never
No,
mind.
let Daddy try it now.
Good boy. Sit.
Tastes like a Jaffa cake.
Really good. Chocolate orange bar.
Why
Tastes like a Jaffa cake. It's really good.
do I need to stand?
Okay, what's next?
Just sit on you.
Got a wafer.
What? How much wafers are in here?
Milka.
What country is it?
Slovakia.
So you're on the map.
This is premium box. This is a vanilla chocolate wafer.
Ooh, it looks good.
Oh, it looks good. Ari, size of that bite, Ari.
What is that?
You like that one?
What is that?
You did an even bigger bite than Ari, was you?
Can you try it?
What is it?
It's a cake.
Yum.
You'll like that one. That's nice. Give it to Daddy. Good? That's yummy, isn't it? You like that one? Mika. Got another wafer.
Mama, put your hand over.
This is,
How much wafers are in here?
I don't know, they're like wafers. This is a peanut butter chocolate wafer. We all like peanut butter.
Reese's. I didn't know she liked peanut butter.
She likes Reese's.
Yeah. Kind of them.
They're really good. Tastes like Nutella.
Nutella.
I wouldn't know it was peanut, but it tastes like a Nutella one. You'll like that one. Tastes like chocolate.
Yeah. Yeah.
You gonna try it? Oh, you're getting your belly out. We have got, this looks like a cookie.
Cookie Monster.
This, you like that one? This one is cookies and cream with a slight hint of vanilla. Oh, that's a hefty biscuit.
Clap your hands together.
Clap your hands together and bow.
What are they doing, Foxy?
Bowing.
Bowing.
Good bow. That's really nice. You're going to
this
get it
one?
last because you keep stealing. It's just like cookies and cream. That's nice. Foxy, you like that one? Let Mika have some.
That one bit bite me. Good.
I've got some.
Another wafer.
Yep.
What?
We've got some.
They're gone.
Where are these? These are called Alaska. Oh, Alaska. The gluten-free snack is perfect on the go.
Sit down.
He wants to swap. Oh wow, these look like puffy wafers.
Ooh.
It's like the texture of a what's it?
What is this? Sweet or savoury?
It's a sweet vanilla wafer, but it has the texture of a what's it.
Yeah.
No.
No. Oh, it's not sweet enough. The like the what's it texture outside.
Can I try it back? What it tastes like?
Vanilla.
It's like a what's it?
It's the texture of a what's it. Mike. If it was a different texture, I think you could probably eat it and it'd be alright, but it's the texture of a stale what's it.
Yeah.
We've got, I think this is coconut. Does anyone like coconut? No, we're not going to open this one. We're going to put it in a food bank because we don't like coconut. So that will get wasted.
Cool.
And then we've got, let me get the last bit out. We've got a chewy lolly, which we're not going to open. which is from the mini box. We've got some Rumba.
Mama.
This is just for Daddy. Oh, thanks, mate. That's lovely and soggy. Thanks. This is mini box, and this is chocolate with a rum filling. So this is just for Daddy to try. It doesn't want to do it because Ari's head is just there. Ari, get your head out of the way.
Okay.
There you go. Mika, get your head out of the way. That's just for Daddy. This one is a nougat bar. Aria!
Get off.
You lot are heart faces. So this is, I don't know what nougat is really, do you? This is a premium box. We'll make you a water slide later. Ari, bite.
I need a little bite.
Stop it.
Is it nice?
What are you doing? Stop it.
Middle.
You want to try the rum one?
No, thank you. They're
Ari?
nice. You want to try the rum one, Ari?
No.
It's not actual rum.
Pull Daddy, Mika. You help. You help, Daddy.
And then we've got
Help.
help. This one's got jam in. You want to try that one, Mika?
Yeah. Mika.
And then the last one is banana, which no one's going to like, so we're not going to open that one either. And then, I didn't realise, at the back, Foxy, stop being silly, Bubs. We've got a Slovakian make-at-home recipe. So, we've got a recipe that's got potatoes, flour, bacon, feta, sour cream, butter, and rice and stuff, and it looks really nice. Ari's ran away with the bacon crisps. Foxy, can you say thanks for watching? Come here. Come here.
No, thank you.
Come here, right. What do we do when we've done something good? We clap. And then what do we say? Spuds. And then a bow. Go. You don't want to do a bow?
That children.
No, Mummy and Daddy are adults. You're children. Say bye. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Smell you later.
See you later.